Good day, my lovely people. Welcome back to today's video. How are you all doing? In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to make this delicious and nice porridge yam with vegetable in a different way, in a local way, a very delicious ways and that. See the outcome. It's come out so great and so lovely. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Tell us what you want and if you're going to try this recipe out. So guys, welcome back to today's video. How are you all doing? I'll be taking you through how to make this quick and delicious yam porridge. I'll be using vegetable for this porridge yam. I have already cut my yam. I have already peeled it and cut it and well washed, added it in my pot. So let's get started in today's video. Then the next thing will be going in with our salt. This yam porridge is different. It's not that one that you used to add red oil seasoning while cooking it. Just stay tuned and watch this video to the end because you are going to enjoy this video and you will love the recipe. So we have added our salt. Then we go in with our water, guys. Make sure the water is enough so that it will help to cook the yam and make it well soft enough. It's just a very quick recipe. It will not take time. So after adding in your water, you have to cover your pot and allow your yam to get soft before we get into another step or another procedure, guys. So we'll be cooking this yam for like 15 to 20 minutes so that our yam will be very soft before we proceed to another stage, guys. Guys, let's check our food and know if it is ready. You can see, guys, our food is ready. We have to step into another procedure. So we have to remove this one. How many you be this one? Guys, let's get started with the next procedure. If you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you'll be getting notified anytime we post a new video. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Watch, comment and like. So the next thing for us to add is our red oil. You can see it going in with our red oil, guys. It's a very local way to make your porridge yam. It always come out so great and it tastes so delicious as well. We are not going to be taking long in this oil procedure. We are not going to breach it because it's porridge yam. So the next step is to add in our onions. So guys, go in with your onions. After the onions, guys, here is our salt. There and our pepper. This is a different way to make your local porridge yam. We are not going to add in seasoning because this one is different. If you grow up from anywhere, you will know what I'm talking about concerning this. And here is our vegetable, guys. I hope you are seeing it very well. Very sliced and washed. You can use green leaf or you use ugu. Go in with your leaf, the vegetable. After that, you have to mix it very well. You mix it very well, guys. So guys, after mixing it, you have to cover and allow your vegetable to heat up for like some minutes. Within 1 or 2 minutes, then we open the pot to see what we got there. check what we have. You can see it. You can see our leaf has already cooked very well. You are not going to cook your vegetable for long. So, is the remaining pepper. So now it's time to go in with our yam, already cooked yam, guys. And with the remaining red oil. Try this recipe, you are going to love it. So you have to mix everything, combine it together. So guys, you can see what we have here. The final result is very lovely. Please make sure to try this recipe. It always comes out so well and it tastes so delicious, guys. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share for more, guys. Bye.